Hey everyone, thank you so much for being here today. My name is Denise. I'm also known as heywigsister on Instagram and Facebook. Today I'm here to bring you a color spotlight. I'm here to show you the color Deep Forest by TressAllure. I have Clarissa in this color. I've already reviewed Clarissa in another color, and I briefly showed this one as a comparison. So this video is all about the color Deep Forest. If you would like to know more about this color, see if we can get it to pick up. It's very faded, but I think you can see it. Then stick around for the rest of this video. I'm going to show it to you inside and outside, and we're going to talk about it. I am thrilled to be able to bring you such a deep, dark brown color. I am trying to bring a variety of colors to my reviews so that I can kind of cover the gamut for whoever might be watching. And I know it's been some time since I've done a really dark brown. So this one is a thrill for me. I just have to tell you, in the beginning of my journey, this is the color I would have chosen. My natural hair color is dark brown, but I used to dye my hair with a box dye from the drugstore in the darkest brown I could find, because I found that it was easier for me to get the dark brown Topic powder, which I used for 20 years to hide my thinning hair. And so if I dyed my hair the darkest brown I could find and I bought the darkest brown Topic, those worked the best. I didn't have to worry about blending issues. So I was most comfortable in these super, super dark browns. So this is very comfortable for me and reminds me of those days. So Deep Forest is a blend of a 4 and a 6. So if you look at my color index, which I have on my website, if you go to my website, heywigsister.com, I have a blog post under resources that talks about color, and I have two documents. One is a brand color list and one is a color index. The brand color lists says that this is a 4 and a 6, and those are the dark brown colors. So when you think of the color codes, brunettes start at a 2 and they go from a 2 to a 12. A 2 being the darkest brown and a 12 being the lightest brown. A 4 is a dark brown and a 6 is kind of a medium dark brown. This is a great blending of those two colors. Let's look all around and then I'll get closer to the camera for you. It's such a beautiful, deep chocolate brown. It's warm. And when I get close to the camera, and I'll take the wig off as well to really point this out, you can see those tonal differences. You can see the dark chocolate, and then you can see hints of what I'm calling milk chocolate. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous blending. And it's subtle. It's so subtle. So what happens often with these dark colors is you get a lot of kind of blonde highlights or very stripy visible highlights. And on this one, what you're getting is subtle highlights. So you can see dark, and then you can see these milk chocolate. Can you see that? There's a good one right there. It's so beautiful. And what I really like about it is it's rich and it's deep and it's warm, but it's not red. So another thing that you often get with wigs like this is you get a lot of red. I am not seeing red at all. When I look at this, I see dark brown and I see kind of that milk chocolate medium brown. But I do not see auburn and I do not see red. And I have a feeling some of you guys are going to appreciate that so much. So let me put her back on for you and then kind of look at that again. Since this is a color spotlight, I really want to spend time lingering. We're also going to get outside, and then you'll be able to see this outside as well. Do you see what I mean? How gorgeous is that? And what I really also appreciate about this is it's not overly shiny. Sometimes in synthetic wigs especially, shine can sometimes be an issue, but where you see that the most are the darkest brunettes and the blondes. That's where sometimes the shine can get a little out of control. I personally have a high tolerance for shine. I recognize that not everybody does. And so what I'm seeing here is healthy hair shine. Because of the straightness of this style, what it reminds me of is when somebody has taken a flat iron to their hair and they've really tried to smooth and sleek it out, and then they sprayed it with some shine spray, just sort of all over, not synthetic, unnatural shine, but healthy hair shine. And that's what I see here. If you were to get this wig and you were to think it's too shiny for you, I would recommend getting a dry shampoo that is made for brunettes. I think Batiste is the brand. I know they make one for brunettes so that you don't get that sort of white cast that sometimes dry shampoos can have. In a color this dark, it is going to make it look a little gray if you're not careful. Another thing you can do, which I've heard that works, is if you give the wig a quick wash, sometimes that can tamp down shine. Or if you just wear it, you know, get your hands in it, wear it some, get the natural oils from your hands, dirtying it up a little bit, using a little bit of product, all of that can help tamp down the shine. Again, I do not find this to be overly shiny, but I do know that sometimes with these super dark brunettes, that can be a concern. So just wanted to give you a couple of tips that might help you. Hopefully that was enough. I love this color. I just kind of want to stand here and look at it all day. One of the things I really love, I think these super dark colors look so good with like jewel tones, which is why I wore this shirt today, because I knew it was going to look so good with this super dark color. So hopefully it's all working and it's playing it up to its fullest. Let's get outside. And let's take a look at this color in outside light. If you have any questions, please let me know. My overall assessment, it's warm, it's not ashy, but it's not red. It's definitely dark chocolate, milk chocolate, no major stripes. It's just kind of consistently all throughout. Just stunning. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that this helped you guys. Grab my remote here. Let me know if you have questions. Thank you for watching and for being here. I appreciate you guys so much. All right, here we are outside with deep forest. I am really hoping that you will be able to pick up those tones out here in this sort of filtered sunlight because it is so pretty. Nice to have a lighter background. Can you see multiple tones? A 4 and a 6, so it's not light. It doesn't look like it's got any blonde highlights in it at all. It just looks awesome. Dark chocolate with a little bit of milk chocolate. It's really bright out here with all that sun. Okay guys, let me know if you have questions.